So hi everyone, I'm Ivy Zinkai. I'm the senior makeup artist and trainer for Calabar Cosmetics. Today I'm going to be showing you one of the 6 looks that we are creating right now at Calabar with our latest campaign called Be Who You Want to Be. This campaign is all about showcasing how the power of makeup can transform you and make you look different and ready for every kind of occasion. Today from the 6 looks that we have in the campaign, I'm going to be showing you how to create the head turner look. I'm just going to be showing you over here. So it's this beautiful red look created on our global brand ambassador Jacqueline Fernandez, and it has this really nice bold red lip with a winged eyeliner and soft red eyes. So I'm going to be doing the same look to create this. Okay, so this is the look, guys. This comes in a kit called as the head turner kit as well, and we have products already made for the kit. So I'm going to be taking you guys through the products. So starting with the Calabar Cellular Dry Oil, we have the Calabar Cellular Dry Oil that comes in the kit. This dry oil is extremely good for your skin. You can use it as a moisturizer. Also, you can use it with your foundation. So if you want, you can take a little bit of it, mix it on your foundation and then apply it, or you can also just use it by itself. So I'm going to be starting by using this on my face first. So it comes with this beautiful pump over here. So you're just going to have to take a little bit of it at the back of your hand. 2-3 drops is enough. It is extremely hydrating, guys, and it has this property where it locks in moisture in your skin and it makes it last for a very long time. So I'm going to be taking that and applying it on my skin before I apply my foundation and my concealer. You can see this beautiful glow that it instantly gives. This is the kind of hydration and this is the kind of glow it's going to keep on your skin for a very long time. Okay, so you can apply it all over your skin if you want by pressing it down and just moving it all around if you want. But I prefer pressing it down on my skin so that it lasts longer and it also gives my skin a better finish. Okay, so I'm applying this on my skin. I'm going to be taking a little bit more. For those of you who have just logged in, I'm going to be creating the head turner look from the Calabar's Be Who You Want to Be campaign and get you guys ready for Valentine's. Okay, so I'm applying this all over my skin, guys. You can see the healthy glow that it has. Okay, this is priced at rupees 1200. But for now I'm just applying this on my skin alone. Okay, so that is almost done. Now after the cellular dry oil, guys, I'm going to be using the latest launch of Calabar, the 24 hours liquid foundation. So this foundation comes in 30 beautiful shades. So I'm using the shade FC 3.2. I'm taking this also at the back of my hand, applying it like this, and I'm going to be taking the beauty blender to apply it. So I'm just going to be taking it and applying it all over my skin, dabbing it again because I want it to give my skin some coverage. So you can see because of the cellular dry oil, my skin is really glowing naturally. So that glow is going to stay till the end, guys. So I'm just going to be taking this and applying it all over my skin. Hi Zoya. Okay. And I'm going to be taking this and applying it on my forehead as well. Okay. You can see the coverage that this foundation gives also. It's really lightweight and it gives you this really nice gorgeous shine to your skin. Okay. So after the foundation, you can take a little bit of concealer and apply it on your under eyes. You can apply it on your skin. So I'm going to be doing that as well. For now I'm just taking the foundation and pressing it down on my skin. Okay, taking the Calabar Flawless Finish Concealer, okay, in the shade Satin. So I'm going to be taking this and applying it on my under eye. and I'm going to be applying it on the T-zone just to give it some brightness. So you're going to apply it at the tip of your nose and a little bit on your forehead as well, and a little bit on my chin. Okay, now I'm going to be taking the same beauty blender and just dabbing it inwards. Yes, Shruti, I love this foundation as well. I think it's a great foundation. It has this technology called as the climate adaptive technology that ensures that your makeup stays in place, and it also protects your skin from humidity. So you know, this happens a lot, especially people living in Bombay know very well. It's really humid over here, and you know, your makeup tends to wear off, or you know, it gets uneven and patchy. But with the foundation, you're not going to have that problem because of the technology that makes your, you know, makeup last longer, plus it is sweat resistant. Okay, so I'm just dabbing this all over my skin. Okay. Hi Reels. Hi Krishna. So yeah, this concealer is priced at rupees 650. Okay, so my base is almost done, guys, and I'm going to be using the palette that she's used for the look. That's the Hook Me Up palette that comes in these 7 shades. These colors are really good for, you know, if you have any party that you need to, you know, create makeup for, or even for daytime looks. You have these nice subtle colors as well at the beginning that you can use only on your eyelid if you don't want to get too dressy. So I'm going to be using colors from this. So for the look, Jacqueline has applied this pink shade as a base color. So I'm going to be applying this as the base. So with the help of my Pro Eye Smudger brush, I'm going to be taking a little bit of it on the tip, and I'm just going to be applying it on my eyelid. Okay, so you can see it's this really nice, beautiful blush pink color that looks really good. You know, if you want to just leave it alone, you can just apply it by itself, or if you want, you can, you know, apply something over it. But it's really good, and it creates this nice nude pink look on your eyes. You can see the difference, guys. This color is really nice and warm and nice. Okay, so I'm applying this on my eyelid, and I'm going to do the same thing on this eye as well. Okay, so you can see this nice blush pink tone that it's giving to my eyes. Okay, now with the help of the crease brush that can be used for blending as well, I'm just going to be taking some of this dark pink color, and I'm going to be applying it on the crease. Okay, a little bit of the dark pink along with this red, just to give it some, you know, illusion, like, you know, a crease like illusion. So this is just going to be on my crease. Repeat the same thing on this eye as well. So you can see this beautiful harmony of pink tones that's going on in my eyes. Okay, so once that's done, I'm going to be taking a little bit of the highlighter shade that comes over here. Okay, and I'm going to be applying that on my crease. So I'm just taking my fingertips for that, guys, and I'm just applying it on my crease. Doing it on the other eye as well. Okay, now I'm going to be taking the Colorbar Mini. So we've launched the mini collections as well, guys, so that it has these really cute mini products. So for example, we have this eye pencil, that's the Eye Glide, one of our fast sellers, and it's in the color Blackout, which is a black eye pencil. So this is the size. It's going to be for $2.99, and I'm going to be using the Colorbar Mini Matte Touch lipstick as well. So this is for $3.99, and this is how the bullet looks. It's this beautiful red color. It's called rich red. So I'm going to be using this as well as the mini eye pencils for my look. So I'm going to be completing the eye look with this pencil. It's called Blackout from the Calabar Mini Eye Glide range. Okay, so I'm just going to be using an eyeliner. So I'm just going to be doing the eyeliner across my eye. So I'm going to be taking this. It's well sharpened, and I'm just going to be applying it. Okay, so starting from the inner corner all the way out, and with the help of the tip, I'm just going to be stretching it. So you can see this beautiful wing eyeliner that I effortlessly got with the help of this eye pencil. Just going to make it a little more thicker. Okay, you can see this. I'm going to be completing the same thing over here as well. The best thing about this pencil is that, guys, it can be used as an eyeliner. It can also be used as an eyeshadow. So if you want, you can take some of this eyeliner and just apply it on your eyelid and blend it out. It gives it a very, very beautiful, eyeshadow base finish. So you can use it as that as well. It's extremely long lasting, and this is waterproof as well. So okay, so I've applied this on my eyes. So my eye makeup is almost done. Okay, and I'm just going to be using my highlighter and my lipstick now. So for the highlighter, I'm using the Calabar Pro Shimmer Bar. That's like this. And it has these beautiful 5 colors that can be used as a highlighter, that can be used as a blush, and that can be also used as an eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using this color over here at the start to just apply a little bit on my inner corners to brighten it up. So I'm going to be taking my fingertips for the same thing and just going to be placing it on the inner corners. Okay, you can see this nice pop that it gives to your eyes instantly. I'm going to be taking the same thing and applying it on this eye as well. And I'm going to be again taking some of it and just applying it again, redoing my eyebrow bone again. Okay. Okay, so that is almost the eye makeup, guys. I'm going to be taking these colors and I'm going to be applying it on my cheek for highlighting. So I'm just going to be taking a blush brush for that. You can take a highlighting brush also if you want. And I'm going to be placing it just on the cheekbones. You can see this beautiful glow that it instantly gives you. This is one of my favorite products from Calabar. It is extremely pigmented, plus it gives you this gorgeous shine. It's available in 3 colors. So this is the rose glow variant that has the pink shimmer in it. We have one that has bronze colors, as well as we have one that has coral. So whatever suits your skin tone and your complexion, you can definitely use that. Okay, so that's the glow that it's giving to my skin. And it's also because of the cellular dry oil, guys, that I used before. So the cellular dry oil as a base really helps in intensifying the glow of my highlighter even more. I'm going to be taking a little bit of this and I'm applying it on the tip of my nose. Thank you, Shabam. Thank you so much. And I'm going to be putting it, on the tip of my nose properly. Okay, so that's the highlighter. I'm loving this highlighter. It's really good. I've used the same highlighter even on my, collarbones and my shoulders also, guys. So I've used the Bronze Glow version of it. So you can use it on your face, you can use it on your body, you can use it as an eyeshadow, you can use it as a blush. It's just one of the best products we have. I'll take a little bit of these colors and add it as a blush here. So I'm just going to be mixing those. I'm just going to put that on my cheeks. Thank you, Sharvari. Thank you, Deepa. I love this highlighter as well. Okay. And now I'm going to be taking the mini lip liner that comes as well. So it's the Calabar Definer lip liner in the mini size. This is the size, guys, that you get. And it is the color is called Clear Red that I'm going to be using. So this lip liner is really good if you have issues with, your lipstick bleeding, or, like a lot of times it's happened that lipsticks don't tend to last and it, just goes out of place and stuff. But with this lip liner, you won't have to worry. It ensures that your lipstick stays in place, and it also helps your lips to, be more defined. So if you want to overdraw it and stuff, this is really, really good. Okay, so I'm using this on my lips. So I'm going to be overdrawing the lips a bit from the top. So I'm going to be showing you how I'll do that. So taking the lip liner, and I'm just putting it over my lips. Okay, and I'm drawing it from this side also. So it's just over the natural lip line that I have. Thank you, Tanubhat. Okay, guys, if you all have any questions relating to any products that I've used, please feel free to ask me that as well. So I'm just overdrawing it. And drawing it from here as well. And I'm going to be doing the lower lip also. So I'm just drawing the same, I'm just copying the real lip line that I have for the lower lip. Okay, and so that's the outline of it. And if you want, you can put it all over your lips also to use. This helps. You can use it all over your lip also if you don't want to use a lipstick over it. But I'm not going to be doing that since I'm going to apply my lipstick. So I'm just completing the corners. Okay, and I'm going to be taking my Calabar mini lipstick in the shade Rich Red, and I'm just going to be applying this on my lips. So this is the bullet, guys. It looks really pretty and it's really cute if you want to keep it in your bag, if you want to use it for traveling, or if you want to gift it to anybody. I think this is a perfect gift for your Valentine's. So I'm going to be applying this on my lips. So it's this matte touch lipstick. So basically matte touch is a semi-matte lipstick. So it's not extremely matte, neither is it too, shimmery or glossy and stuff. This is so that, it keeps your lips hydrated as well as gives your lips that semi-matte effect that you're looking for. So I'm just going to be completing this all over. It's enriched with shea butter and it has argan oil as well. So it really moisturizes your lips. Okay, so that's done, the lips. And yeah, all of these products are available on Myntra.com, guys. So y'all should check out the website, and you're gonna have all of these products over there. They're all available for you. So this is the look, guys, and if you want to add anything more to it, you can definitely do, but this is the head turner look that we've also used on our global ambassador Jacqueline Fernandez. I hope you guys learned something, and I hope you'll try this look. If y'all do try this look, please tag Myntra.com or tag Colorbar. These products are again all available on Myntra.com, and I hope you'll have a great Valentine's Day. See you all. Thank you.